welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to start the day off with the house tour. I wanted to show you what kind of flat we have here, and yeah, so come along and join me. Alright, so here is the bathroom. Okay, so let's move on to the living room and kitchen. So here is the living room, and there's the other bed where we sleep in, and then here is the kitchen table and the kitchen. The kitchen looks pretty odd because it has so different shades, but it works. Then here we have our terrace, which is not really useful during winter, but it has a pretty nice view. And then this apartment has pretty cool interior details, like this piece here, and then that lamp over there is pretty cool, even though it's not the style that I would style my house with, but still I really like these interior pieces, and that lamp as well is really unique. So let's go see the bedroom now. Oh yeah, and I wanted to mention, here is like a really cool interior piece as well. And also, this is maybe one of my favorites. This hanger here. How cool is that? But anyhow, let's move on to the master bedroom. So here is the bed where my boyfriend's sister and her boyfriend sleeps in. And then that table is also pretty cool. But yeah, this is, it has this closet and then another terrace. So now we're on top of Alpitspine. The view and weather is great as it has been for the past 2 days. We're gonna head to the slopes and hit some off-roads today. But like, look at this view. This is pretty scary standing here because the view down is very steep.